Why is insulation resistance testing so important? Welcome to this presentation on why insulation resistance testing is so important. In this session, we'll explore how insulation testing contributes to safety, reliability, and compliance in electrical systems. Introduction. Insulation resistance testing, often called IR testing, is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for maintaining electrical safety and reliability. By detecting early signs of insulation degradation, IR testing helps prevent electrical shocks, short circuits, and unexpected equipment failures. Regular testing allows for timely maintenance and reduces costly downtime. Safety. First, let's look at safety. Degraded insulation can create unintended pathways for electricity, which may result in electric shocks to personnel. In addition, faulty insulation can lead to arcing and sparking, greatly increasing the risk of fire and even explosions, particularly in hazardous environments. Regular IR testing helps minimize these life-threatening risks. Reliability and equipment protection. Insulation resistance testing also ensures the reliability and protection of electrical equipment. It allows for early detection of deterioration before it becomes a major problem. By addressing insulation issues early, we can extend the lifespan of machinery and avoid sudden failures. This prevents costly downtime and production losses. Moreover, regular IR testing helps optimize maintenance schedules and provides a baseline for tracking insulation performance over time. Compliance and standards. Another key aspect is compliance. Many industries and regions mandate regular insulation resistance testing as part of their safety regulations. Performing IR testing not only helps meet these regulatory requirements but also ensures compliance with international safety standards. This reduces both legal and financial risks while supporting the reliable operation of electrical systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, insulation resistance testing is a proactive measure that safeguards personnel, protects valuable equipment, prevents costly downtime, and ensures compliance with regulations. It is a simple, cost-effective practice that significantly improves the safety, reliability, and efficiency of electrical systems.